Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your drafts on Facebook. So guys, if you've drafted any post on Facebook and you don't know how to find it, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take is to tap on your Facebook app to open it. So let me tap on my Facebook app to open it. So guys, now you can see I'm on the home page of my Facebook account. The next step that you have to take now is to try to make a new post, and for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written "What's on your mind." You can see the arrow pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can go ahead now to type anything, whatever you want to type. You can type, just type in whatever comes into your mind. Let me just type "It's Valentine's Day." Let me type it in. It's Valentine's Day. So guys, after you're done typing a word, what you have to do now is to tap on the back icon. You can see there at the top left corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on the first option where it is written "Save as Draft." You can see what is written there. You'll receive a notification with your draft. So guys, once this post is drafted, the notification will be sent to you. So guys, now let me tap on it so that you see what I'm saying. So let me tap on "Save as Draft." You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now we've drafted that Facebook post. Remember, they told us they will send us a notification of our draft. So guys, what we have to do now is to look out for our notification. So let me scroll down from the top of my phone. But guys, in case you don't receive notification from Facebook, what you have to do is to go over to your app management. And for you to do that, you have to go over to your settings. So let me tap on my settings. Then I will tap on apps and notifications. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. Then I will tap on app management. So let me tap on it. Then you look for Facebook app. Let me look for my Facebook app. Then you tap on your Facebook app. Let me tap on it. So guys, here now what you have to do is to tap on notifications. You can see there. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do is to toggle on these notifications. As you can see here, my notification is toggled on. If yours is toggled off, what you have to do is to toggle it on. So guys, let me look for the notification. So guys, you can see the notification right there from Facebook. You can see the time is just now. You can see your draft was saved. Tap to make changes. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are all the Facebook posts that I've drafted in my Facebook account. You can see it there, and the top one there is the one I just made now. You can see it. You can see it there. It is written "It's Valentine's Day." That's the Facebook post I just saved as a draft just now. So guys, now you can see the one that I've made previously. You can see the second one. You can see the third one. So guys, this is how you can actually find your drafts on Facebook. So guys, in case you want to open the draft, in case you want to continue with the draft to make a post, what you have to do now is to select the draft that you want to continue with. So guys, you can see I have 3 here. So let me tap on the most recent one. So let me tap on the one that I wrote "Is Valentine's Day." So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I can continue with the post. I can go ahead now to add a photo. I can go ahead now to add a video if I want. So guys, now this is how it's done. So guys, now take note of what is written at the top. You can see what is written there. Drafts will be discarded after 3 days. So guys, just make sure that any Facebook post that you draft, make sure you use it before 3 days. If not, it will be discarded. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value from this video today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.